Ciao, my name is Marco Tedeschi. I'm the owner of Smart Renovation, and my family founded this company more than 50 years ago. We have an office in Italy, we have an office in Dubai, and in Dubai we are operating for the last 12 years. We complete more than 400 projects, villa, apartment, and landscaping, very successful. And we are more than proud to say that most of our clients became or sort of friends, or we complete other projects for them, and that is the maximum rewards we can get. We got a lot of rewards in terms of design, in terms of fit out, and that's of course make me proud. I'm here just to say Smart Renovation is the company that can design and build your dream home. It's very important to say design and build, because you will never be satisfied if you have a very good fit-out company, makes a perfect job, but without a proper design. Design means to have a nice flow, nice materials, a nice connection between all the rooms, based on your tradition, on your nationalities, on your background, your religions, whatever. And all these things we are proud to take in considerations. All our projects are different. All our projects reflect the personality, the nationalities, the way to live of each single family, each single client. Being our company a design and build company is very important to link the two parts. So to link the design part to the execution. In order to do that one, you need a company with a right process. We have a digital process that allows you to understand the project itself, the full flow of the project, starting from the selection of material to design part to the rendering, and everything then will be handled in terms of execution by a professional project manager. This is very important in order to complete your project from A to Z in the right budget, in the right timing. Don't forget that what you are looking for is not a simple renovation, but is somebody, a team, capable to transform your home in a dream home. That is very important. Last but not least, please do not hesitate to contact me if you need any further information, and anything can help you to take your final decision. Thank you very much for listening to this short message. I really hope to be part of your journey and make sure that the journey itself will be memorable and easy.